Are you missing your pens on your smartboard? Or there's still a way for you to use your finger as an inking tool in the whiteboard? Let's open up a whiteboard and show you. Boom, we're clicking up and open up a whiteboard, and then we're gonna wait for these tools to show up here on the side panel, okay? So here's the pen. We're gonna click it. Now you have to make sure that you enable, by clicking the toggle, your inking tool. So now your finger can be used as a tool to write on the board. Now, after you finish writing, you want to make sure, so that you can manipulate other things on the whiteboard, you have to turn it back off. So I'm going to click, untoggle, and now I can actually move things around the board.